Bore da, croeso I gwasanaeth daliad. Good morning and welcome to our celebration assembly. It's that time of the week when we find out who has gone the extra mile and gone above and beyond by following the Windsor-Clive Way and will receive golden wristbands this week. And this week we're starting with our oldest children in Year 6, and in Miss Cruz's class she has chosen Tia Keeler and Jaden Griswood-Dolan. Next door, in our other Year 6 class, Mrs Mings has awarded her golden wristbands to Jessica Venn and Nilo Yousefi. Next, in Year 5, Miss Morris has awarded her wristbands to Hannah Abdi and Mia Rudd for following the Windsor-Clive Way all week. In our other Year 5 class, Miss Cosslett has chosen Jessie Chen and Rabia Safaraz for going above and beyond this week. In Year 4 and in Miss Harrod's class, Mr Lewis and Mr Hartland have chosen Kaylin Sargent and Aaliyah Griffiths because they have been ready, safe and respectful this week. In our other Year 4 class, Mrs Haggett and Mrs Fancourt this week have chosen Jake Rawlings and Omar Olinki. Now we're in Year 3, and in Mrs MacDonald's class, Miss Hewitson and Mrs Lloyd have awarded wristbands to Alba Jackson and Jude Tello. In Miss Andrews' Year 3 class, this week she has awarded wristbands to Marcus Thompson and Orleen Kaur for following the Windsor-Clive Way in Year 3. In our wellbeing class, Mrs Harris has chosen 2 boys who have gone above and beyond in their learning this week, Morgan Goodfellow and Zachary Northey. Next, it's time for the foundation phase, and in Year 2, Mrs Thompson has chosen Kobe Newell and Peyton Donnelly this week. In Mrs Lansing and Mrs Protheroe's Year 2 class, this week the golden wristbands go to Amelia Gurecchio and Dominic Simpson. Mrs Mogford in her Year 1 class has chosen 2 pupils who've gone above and beyond and have caught her eye all week long, Airah Hussain and Noah Golding. In Mrs Jonas and Mrs Lace's class this week, their golden wristbands have been awarded to Alexis Young and Jahira Sheikh for going above and beyond. In reception, Mrs Mclaggen and Mrs Haggett have given their golden wristbands to Aishan Rashidi and Emily Rose Evans. In Miss Harries' reception class, she has given her golden wristbands to Alfie March and Adam Boufanez for being ready, safe and respectful. And finally this week, in our nursery, Miss Marshall Lucas has chosen Sabia Quasi and Cotis Parsons in the morning nursery, and Tanisha Ahmed and Amelia Seward in the afternoon nursery. Well done to everybody who has tried extra hard this week to follow the Windsor-Clive Way and go above and beyond. Have a fantastic Friday, everyone.